ready to take your data analysis skill to the next level? In this tutorial, we will explore how to effortlessly connect Tableau to both SQL database and Excel files. By mastering these connections, you will unlock powerful visualizations and insights that can drive decision-making and elevate your reporting game. Let's get started. Okay, so as we can see now, this is our Tableau app, and we can see all this visualization we see here. Is this not beautiful? We can see that our Excel can do a lot of visualization, but come on, Tableau is off it. Like Tableau is the best in visualization game, and as we know, Tableau and Power BI is a app of is a tool used for visualization, So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can connect your Tableau to your SQL or Excel files. Okay, now let's take it one after the other. Assume you are given a database, and you are asked to, okay, for instance, we are asked to, let me show you an example here. Let me go to my SQL file. Okay, so our database here now is, okay, hold on. Our database here now is employees_mod. So we're already given a database, and the question we are given here is that, take a look at it. Create a visualization that provides a breakdown between the male and female employees working together in the company each year, starting from 1990. Now, see, before you can do this, before you can think of going into Tableau, exploring the best of Tableau and all, the first thing you need to know is you need to master the skill of SQL. You need to master the skill of SQL very well, SQL, Python, and Excel, so that Tableau will be nothing to you, because Tableau is actually very easy. It is just used for visualization. So if you don't know these skills, because these skills is what you are going to use as your you are going to see what you're going to do now. So when you know this skill, you just come here and solve your problem. Then when you are given the result you want, so you go to Tableau to visualize it. Now let's take an example. So this is the data I'm going to write. This is the code I'm going to write further to answer this question. So now let me run my code. So as you can see, the code is running. Tada! Here is my code. You can see it. I was able to get a result of 26 rows. A result of 26 rows. So according to the question I was given here, I wrote the code out. That's why I said it is very essential before you can think of using Tableau, for you to know SQL skills, Excel skills, and Python skills. So now after getting my result, so what I need now is now to visualize this result. In where? In my Tableau. Now, what are we doing exactly? We are creating a visualization. Visualization is still our main focus that provides a breakdown between the male and female employees working together from 1990s. So as you can see here, from 1990s, and here we have male, female, and all. So the next thing we need to do is that this is not the database we need exactly. So I've been able to draw out this table from where we need. So now we're just coming to come here. I can save it with anything. Let me just leave it with tax file. So now we're going to save it. So now let me cancel. So now this file here now is tax 4. So I'm done with SQL already, as you can see. So now I'm back to my Tableau. So now you see it. I'm able to come here, visualize it. So before all this you are seeing here, before they can even come into this thing. So here I'm just going to add a new page. So as you are seeing that my system is still working on it, bring in this department's name, bring it here. Tada. Bring in my average salary, bring it here. We can see it. I didn't take it well, so I'm going to do that again. Yeah. So you can see it now. So one thing we are going to work on here is that now I'm going to make it a bar here. I need it to be a bar. So I want to do the difference between, the main thing is that they asked us to work on gender. So we have to be able to differentiate the genders. So yeah, I want to make this thing. It's something I can do this way. I can do it this way and just, if I should drag my gender here, you see it has divided them into 2. So I can put color in this first one and say all these first ones are my male, are my females, and this below one and my male, but I don't want to do it that way. So I'm going to return my gender back to where it came from. So I want to make it two dashboard and two bars. Yeah. So now I'm doing it this way. Okay. So now bringing my gender in to this column here. Wow, you can see it. So now I'm going to use my gender, bring it into color. You can see. So now my female is this and my male. My female is orange and my male is blue. So now let's go back to this. So based on what I spoke to you about earlier, saving it down from SQL. So after you have generated what you are asked to do exactly in SQL, then you bring it in. What I bring in earlier was tax 4. So now you can see this tax 1, tax 2, tax 3. So I've been doing a lot. After I was done with tax 4, I visualized it in a way that it should be best explained. You can see it here. So I'm not explaining much in this video, but probably in my next video, you can let me know if you need more insight on this, a breakdown video on this. So you can see, they can easily see it from here that in year 1999, the female gender were able to earn about this percentage across so years. So it's something that can be easily seen. Then when we come down in year 1997, so if you should take a look at this thing, if you want to confirm if these records are correct, so when you click on this and you see that it is 47,007. You can go to SQL, the table is still there, and check it out. It will be exactly the same. So instead of you just showing your people, your organization, that this is the number we get, this is the data we're able to derive, it's something that Tableau can easily derive for you, visualize it. So here it is again. You can see different types of visualizations, in Tableau. So now I'm showing you this again. I did this for the third task I was asked to carry out. As soon as I was going to get paid on a tax. So this is just a random rough work I did myself. So you can see this now. I did this. So my own is just that in your Tableau, you have to just look for the best thing you can use to just generate what you need. You can come here and say, oh, you need a pie chart, oh, you need a circle, oh, you need a square, oh, you need an area. But one thing you must ensure is that what you need best, what will visualize the data you are trying to show them best is what you use. So that's it. Okay, so based on what I was showing you earlier, so you can now see I've been able to differentiate here that this is my female and this is my male. So female and in customer care, those in the Department of Customer Care, their female earned 62,344 naira, because I'm in Nigeria here, as a female, and in that same customer care, the male earned this amount. So you can see he's able to now visualize. So when you've already derived many things they want you to derive, you can now come to a dashboard. You can see the dashboard was the first thing I show you. Now show everything at a go. You can see them here. Show everything at a go. So you can ask them that, look at the way I did my own here. This is the breakdown between male and female employees. This is the number of manager per department. You can see it here. This is the average annual employee average employee salary since 1990 downward to these moments. So you can see Tableau is a whole lot, like a whole lot. And if you want to use it on Excel also, like it's something you can always use on Excel. Let me just quickly show you this. Okay, let me quickly show you this. If you want to bring in an Excel file, so this is where you're going to bring in an Excel file. Just click in Excel. So you can see that there. But when you're bringing in a database on its own, like you want to bring it in as a text file, you have to make it CSV. You have to make it CSV. So that's it. So if you want to go into data analysis, you want to go into a lot of programming, like Tableau is one thing that will really help you. Like it's even a thing that people are really asking of, a big deal right now. So Tableau is different from Excel. Yeah, I'm going to say it's different from Excel because yes, Excel visualize. I know, right? Excel visualize, but one thing is that Tableau, obviously, Tableau visualize better. So with Tableau, you can easily visualize. You can see I brought in many visualization in here. I brought in many visualization in here just with my tablet. You can see. So I can come here now and say, you see, I cancel this. Now I want to show you what I derived from customer care service. So you can see it here. This is just for, okay, let me come to the finance sector. So in the finance sector, you can see this is the male, this is the female. Since year 1990, in the development department, okay, I'm showing two departments now. So they collected this amount for the female and the male collected this amount. You can see it's just a lot, numbers of managers per department. So in the department of in the department of managers, we have 8 managers that are female since year 1996. We have female managers, 8 female managers also that are female since 1996. So we can see this huge, like huge, it is just a whole lot, a whole lot. So if you have any questions concerning Tableau, concerning SQL, concerning Excel, please ensure you like in the comment section. I'm going to be answering every of your questions. And if you want me to bring you a breakdown to how you can really connect your SQL to your Excel, connect your Excel to your connect your SQL to your Tableau, connect your Excel to your Tableau, connect your Python to your Tableau. I'm going to be showing you a lot. Just ensure you ask your question in the comment section. And please follow my YouTube channel. You can see that this YouTube channel is a growing channel, Debby the Analyst. A lot of insight is going to be coming. Or are you a data analyst, a data scientist looking to explore, or even if when you are exploring and you still need more insights, you're going to be getting many more updates on data analytics, many more updates on data science. So please subscribe to the YouTube channel, turn on the notification button, and please like this video. I'm here because of you, and we are here to help each other. Many more insights coming on the way. Till then, see you.